Welcome to Nava Disha Tech Learning. Today we are breaking down API key. It's an important idea in API. So, what is API key? API keys are simple secret strings that authenticate clients making requests to an API. It's one of the core ideas in API. Here are the key things to know about API key. First, usually long random strings passed in header, XAPI key, or query. API_key is equal to. Also, good for server-to-server communication or public read-only APIs. Another key point should be rotatable, revocable, and scoped to specific permissions. On top of that, never commit to get or expose in client-side code. Finally, rate limiting and usage quotas almost always tied to API keys. And that's API key in simple terms. Come back for another API concept tomorrow.